Forms are categorized as screens in the platform. There are various types of screens such as data entry form, list of data, details, board of icons, and map a data source. Screens are deployed to users on the app, which allow them to interact with your system. These screens allow your users to interact with existing data and collect new data. The Screens page in the web portal displays all screens and folders. The table in the center of the page lists screens by row. The columns represent information about each screen. For example, the type, status, when it was last updated, and the user that last updated it. To the right of the table is the folder manager. For organizational purposes, screens can be assigned to folders. All screens are currently displayed. Clicking on the production folder hides all screens that have not been assigned to the production folder. To create a new screen, click the Add New button at the top right of the page.